Fucking hell. Why would you even think that you could clear that?
Okay.
Where is he going? Something tells me he shouldn't be driving that car.
Yeah, you definitely don't.
He's pissed.
The driver's okay.
Right. Yeah, he's drunk. He shouldn't even be in that vehicle.
Was he driving? He came out the
Yeah,
side.
no, I think he's jumped over.
I mean, anyone in the driver's seat.
What's up, mate? There you are. Be back in it, right? 2 seconds, guys. Don't worry, we've got plenty of time to get there, but I just need to get this shit local done.
Jesus
Why would you in a car try to start a fight with something that big? It's like,
Did anyone see what the fuck happened?
He just drove out like right in front of it.
Is that an army vehicle?
I think so.
Oh, that's literally.
Yeah, that would like
Yeah.
fuck you up.
Oh my god, it's army.
oh,
Oh, that's the worst thing you could have done to in front of. Oh my Christ.
are they gonna chase them?
Nah, the police are.
Oh my god, it's so.
But the fact that like
Wait,
can
where?
see. There's no.
He's drunk,
There's no
so
trees.
Where,
He's like
where
in
is
the
the
middle
guy
of the
going?
field.
he's in the middle of the field
Yeah.
over there.
Yeah. There's
Where
no
is he gonna go?
coverage,
There's
like-
cars there.
I assume he's just going to like, I guess like get some air, but like,
I think he's either not got a license or he's drunk as fuck.
is he running away?
Yeah,
yeah.
because he'll
He's
get
such a twat
arrested.
though, because everyone can see.
Yeah.
Hey, there's no trees. Like
If you
he's
run
in
that
open
direction,
ground.
that might be better.
Exactly. He's so drunk that he thought that was a good idea.
Oh my god.
What's he gonna do if that's his car and he was the driver? Is he just gonna leave it there?
That's even worse. Like he's so gonna get.
You might could grab my mobile phone. Oh. That's great, thank you.
Yeah.
He's already recorded it on the dash.
Not till 12:20.
Yeah. Mine's 12. Mine's 12:50. We have time for this.
good. I was saying.
Mine's at 11:40.
You'll be fine.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
I think
you're
I'll be
absolutely
fine,
fine.
right?
As long as we do 2 hours and 40%.
And how far are we from
I'm
Reading?
just struggling so
40
much.
minutes
I'm
or so,
so
probably.
drunk. I
Okay.
don't know how this has happened. Like, I can't believe I was checking in and I was like, tell me my passport numbers. I was like, oh my god, I can't see. It's so bad. And I've always phoned, like, I've never phoned out, like, I'm not one of those people to get a ping at the gate. That's just not my vibe. And I was like, oh my god, like, how does this happen?
You can see him from all the way here.
Yeah,
You can see him
it's
until he gets to the
ridiculous.
trees. Even then, what's he
It's
gonna
not even. It's not meant.
What's he gonna do? He probably didn't grab his wallet, so is he just gonna? I don't know.
This is the worst place if you want to hide. Like, there's nowhere to hide.
If a person really.
That's not gonna go well.
And he also hurt himself. He was hobbling.
He's making a right.
If he was the driver, that thing hit him exactly in the driver's
Yeah,
seat.
like
so.
he was hobbling for sure. Got hurt.
It's gonna get cold. That wasn't big jacket.
Don't drink and drive, kids. It's a bad
That was
idea.
insane if he got out of the way of that quickly.
Yeah, and it's so
I was
weird.
holding a seat, and then it was like, we stopped.
What's happening? Yeah, he's not allowed to even drive waves. Like, he can drive now, but the army's literally there, he's fine. But, like, if he just drove this car after seeing it, he would get arrested for that.
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
So witness.
What do you?
like, 'cause
You have to
he's a
leave
witness, you're,
details
like,
'cause it's
driving away from
witness.
the
the guy running around the field the driver?
Yeah, no.
The girl at the bus stop says he was on his mobile phone, and that's why. Right. The guys are going to guide us. Whoa!
Oh, another one.
Jesus Christ.
God, what's
What?
going on today?
Okay, they can't see pulling out. That's. I mean.
Oh! Right, he's gonna
Yeah, there we go.
guide us.
You literally can't see. Everything is so big.
Liam, I'll give you a phone in about an hour, but if you want to give my number to the police,
Aye,
pass
we're
it
on the
over.
way on the phone to him now.
Nice
Right,
one,
cheers,
thanks,
mate.
take it easy.
Oh my God.
Why would you jump out that car and decide to run across the field at -2 at 8:30 in the morning?
How did he survive?
Right,
So that wasn't good.
I need the phone.